All right, guys. Let's run a quick analysis on Pengu USDT. Okay, from here, let's first of all point out our areas of interest. Let's point out our point of interest. I might mark out something here. This is daily time frame. So this will be my first point of interest. I'll be very interested because the market is approaching this area very fast. Red for higher time frame. So I'll also mark out another point of interest here. Okay, another point of interest here. I will also mark out another point of interest here. Yes, this is a point of interest. This also is a point of interest, but I will do this with a line. So why I'm marking out this point with a line is because this looks like a weak support. It is not as strong as this one. It is not as the one I just marked. The line is not as strong as this one. So this one, this area of interest, this point is stronger than this. So that is why I'm marking this with a line. But if the market retraces, if we definitely react to this line, the market will definitely retrace and react to it can react to this line, make a pullback before, but that doesn't mean it's a very strong area of interest. So which other area of interest do we have here? Okay, we also have something up here. So as you can see, this is another point of interest. So let's work with this for now. So the market is really approaching. The market is approaching. This is 1 hour. The market is approaching our area of interest here, but we have to wait. You have to wait. When the market gets to your area of interest, then we make a decision. Okay, there is something else here. But this is 4 hour. So I'm going to mark this with a purple line. Okay. So that is what we have seen so far. Let's see how this will work. Let's see how the market will play out when price get to our area of interest here. Let's see how it will play out. All right, guys. This is what we have on Pengu USDT, and this is what we have. This is you can see in our previous you see that we've been waiting for this market to move into our point of interest, and the market broke above our point of interest. It broke through our point of interest and is moving. You can see this was our point of interest, but then this was also a point of consideration that we have considered. The purple line was also a point of consideration, which we are also expecting the market to get to and react. So since the market did not stop at this area of interest on the red line, since the market did not stop here and is now forming a reversal pattern on the purple line, which is also a point of interest, then we can now take a trade from here. We can take a trade. You can see what you can see here. You can see our reversal candle. You can see our reversal candle. That is a doji right there. That is a reversal candle. That is a doji. So you can make this entry. You can take this trade and place your stop loss above the week, above 0.01376. So you can take a trade here. Then, but mind you, you can take a sell. You can take a sell. But mind you, I am expecting this market to I am expecting this trade to come here, somewhere here, and continue moving up. I am not expecting a massive pullback. I'm not expecting the price to come all the way here. No, I am not expecting this. I am not expecting this. I am expecting this price to come here or slightly to this point. I'm expecting the price to come here, then go up. That is what I am expecting. So you can go ahead and take this trade. But then, before you take this trade, I am not going to take this trade, and I am not going to drop this signal in my group. This is why I will not drop this trade in my group. Now, if you check here, you will see that the funding fee on this trade is very high. The funding fee is high, and since the funding fee is high, I'm not going to take it, because you will end up spending more money on funding fee than profit. You will end up spending more money on funding fee than profit. So I'm not going to take this trade. The funding fee is very high. So let's see other trades that we have, trades we have dropped in the group so far. You can see broccoli. We dropped it. They also dropped a video on it, and 256%. You can see WUSDT 127%. You can see LPT. This is LQTY. This is 300%. Most of these things have done more percentage now. And also LPT, we dropped a trade on LPT, which we also dropped the listing on YouTube. Those are the trades we have dropped in the past 2 days. So you can check the group, and there's a review on that. If you want to join, you can also join our WhatsApp group. It's free. Check the description of this video and you will see our WhatsApp group. Do not forget to follow, as we keep making our analysis simple and a very precise and good entries. See you next time.